Good evening. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. This is my blog. Today I'm talking about tooltip on each item of dropdown list at runtime. I want to generate tooltip on item of dropdown list on each item of dropdown list at runtime. So I have a table. The name of the table is country. These are the data. Now the table definition is take some times to load the table definition in the panel. Yeah, that is the table definition. Country ID is integer, country name is variable type character, and the country image is also variable type character. Now take a drop down list here, bind the drop down list with the SQL data source control, or you can also bind this with the edu.net code behind page. So simply bind this page with the help of SQL data source control. Now the text of the drop down list is country name, and the display text is a country name, and the value is a country ID. Okay, now in the browser, first to show the tooltip on each item of drop down list, whether is show and not. Yeah, when we click on each item, yeah, tooltip doesn't appear on each item of drop down list. So to do this task, raise a single event, that is the bound event, that is data bound event. That is actually data bound event is normally applied after bounded. So after bound the drop down list, you can apply this event. So first of all, here center is a drop down list, so drop down list equals to center as drop down list. Okay, check the drop down is null default. If drop down is not equals to null, then simply use for each loop on each items of drop down list. So drop down list 1 drop down dot items. So here items dot attributes dot, so items is denote to each items in the drop down list. So when we generate tooltip on it, so use title attribute, and item dot text is the tooltips. So refresh it and check it, drop it. Oops, it's not there, it's not appear. Now close it, all the tabs, and run it again. Refresh mode, save it and refresh it in browser. Drop it. Yeah, UK is as a tooltip, India is a tooltip, and USA is a tooltip, because the text and the tooltip is match, and my code, and that is list item in the dropdown list dot items. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please keep watching all my video tutorials.